Okay, currencies tonight. So let's start with Bitcoin since it's come up first. Still looking lower for the C of 4 to complete, down to the 2473 area is the ideal target before we push up to 30,000 or higher potentially. And daily chart, so off the 3, A, B, A, B, C for a W, X, A, B, and I think we're coming down in this final C wave. Minimum target 35.39 still, so no change in Bitcoin. And then just looking at the 4-hour chart, same thing. I think we need to drop down one more level for this one before we get the 2 up in the final C wave. And hourly chart, just running the fibs on that. I've got a 1, 2, 3 into the 2.0, A, B, C, 4, right back up into the 1.0. This just needs to final drop down to make a slightly lower low and give us 5 down off the B wave high. Then we should get the 2 back, so on and so forth.